Hello, students in North Carolina. What an exciting time in your life. You get to play with the math and science and social science and all kinds of things in your school to get ready for your career. Whether your career is math, science, engineering, technology, you have a wide range of options. There are also the social sciences, which I get excited about, but my name is Dr. Jeff Peirce. I'm a professor of engineering, civil engineering at Duke University. I'm also the director of graduate studies. I've been the director of undergraduate studies, a total about 15 years in those two jobs. So I've seen all kinds of students come through the program. I became interested in engineering when I was in elementary school. I like to put together puzzles. You hear that a lot with engineers. They're puzzle put-togethers. That's the truth. People that like to put together puzzles and like to study how things work inside and out like to become engineers and scientists, and they become very successful. The trick is to find something you really like and follow your passion, and that's what I was lucky enough to do. I've been at Duke at 33 years now, both teaching and doing research and consulting, expert testimony in courtrooms, doing lots of different things, having lots of different exciting adventures, relying on what I learned in high school and then college and then graduate school in science, engineering, and math, and a lot of economics and a lot of social science, a lot of sociology, a lot of things come together for engineers. They typically have inquisitive minds, and they don't stop with the science or engineering and math. They go and learn lots of different things as they become, we like to call, lifelong learners. I started my study at, like I said, in elementary school, but then I went to Johns Hopkins University in Baltimore, studied engineering mechanics. I then went to the University of Wisconsin in Madison. It was very cold, but very exciting. I got a master's degree and a PhD degree in civil and environmental engineering and became an environmental engineer, mostly. But again, like I said, engineers do lots of different things. My focus was environmental engineering. I worked in Washington, D.C. for a consulting company for a couple of years, working with international corporations, different countries, the Environmental Protection Agency in Washington, a wide range of clients. I worked very hard, but I learned a lot. I ended up fulfilling my dream by returning to a campus to become a professor at Duke University, as I said, in 1979, way before you guys were born. I was mostly influenced, really at the beginning. The high school math and science teachers really helped me. They had great personalities and were very successful in getting me headed in the right direction. I had a mentor that got me into a great university. I studied math and science and battled all the pre-meds. We called them cutthroats because they were cutthroats in class, but I survived, went to Wisconsin, and had a great time. In order to prepare myself, I think I was, like I said, interested in math and science and how things fit together. I also was lucky to land in areas where my peer group had a great influence on me. My peer group at Hopkins, my peer group at Wisconsin, my peer group at Booz Allen Hamilton in Washington, my peer group at Duke, and the peer group included the professors, but then when I got to Duke, I was also greatly influenced by the undergraduates and graduate students that we have coming through the program. Engineers and scientists are always lucky enough to pretty much land in an area where they are surrounded by people with exciting interests. As I said, my current profession is environmental engineering, but I've expanded that to become a systems optimization engineer. As an engineer, I often apply math, science, different technologies to solve a problem in either environmental engineering, water quality, soil pollution and control, or systems optimization, trying to figure out not just the good, but the best way to solve a problem. Like I said, going back to the puzzle putting together. Don't just put the puzzle together, but put it together in the best way possible. The skills that help me the most are probably the math and science. That was kind of a natural fit for me. But then I developed skills in communication. I was always a quiet person in elementary school and high school, but over the years I developed the ability to communicate with those peer groups that I was talking about. And as soon as you open up that skill, you're able to talk and communicate either oral or written skills. I learned a lot about non-verbal, non-oral communication skills. Actions are worth or speak louder than words. Those kinds of skills. The verbal, the written, the oral, and then the non-verbal, the non-oral skills were a great help to me, along with my parallel development of math and science and engineering. My best advice for someone interested in pursuing a career in engineering or science is to follow your passion. If you like chemistry, follow chemistry. If you like biology, follow biology. If you like putting puzzles together, follow engineering. Along those lines, you still have to have an interest in math. So, hope you guys continue to build on your interest in science, math, and engineering, and put the puzzles together and follow your passion and do what you like doing, and you might end up with a nice career surrounded by a bunch of really exciting people that will hopefully influence you for the rest of your lives. Hope you guys do well. Good luck in the future. And if you want to consider Duke University in the future, I'm the person to talk to in civil engineering, either at the undergraduate or graduate level. Contact me if you like. Peirce@duke.edu. Good luck. Bye.